Hi everyone, this video will talk about sensory receptors, the types and functions. What are sensory receptors? They are specialized structures at the end of the peripheral nerves that detect stimuli from the environment or from within the body. The transduction process is the conversion of environmental stimuli into electrical chemical signals that the nervous system can understand. We have various types of sensory receptors and they're classified by the kind of stimulus they can detect. We'll be talking about 6 types of sensory receptors in this video. We'll be going over chemoreceptors first, and they respond to changes in chemical concentrations, interpreting chemical stimuli in our environment and body. Taste, also known as gustation, is located in the taste buds on the tongue, and they're sensitive to chemicals dissolved in the saliva. Smell, also known as olfaction, is located in the olfactory epithelium in the upper nasal cavity. Bipolar sensory neurons detect airborne molecules. Sensory adaptation is in both taste and smell receptors exhibit rapid adaptation to continuous stimuli. This is why you quickly become less aware of ongoing taste or smell. Nociceptors detect harmful potential damaging stimuli by producing the sensation of pain as a protective warning system. The types of stimuli can be mechanical damage, extreme temperatures, chemical changes, or metabolic byproducts. The structure is free nerve endings distributed widely throughout the skin and internal tissues, but notably absent in the brain tissue. The adaptation is unlike most receptors, nociceptors generally do not adapt to continuous stimuli, essential for their warning function. We also have thermoreceptors, which are free nerve endings that are specifically sensitive to temperature changes in the environment and body. We have 2 types. We have warm receptors and cold receptors, and their adaptation undergoes rapid sensation of adaptation. Initial strong response to temperature change. Response decreases over time with continued exposure. For example, we have hot baths feeling less hot after a few minutes. Mechanoreceptors, which respond to changes in pressure, vibration, and physical stimuli, interpret physical stimuli like touch and body position. They consist of free nerve endings, Meissner corpuscles, Pacini corpuscles, Ruffini corpuscles, and hair follicle plexus. Bioreceptors are usually monitoring the blood pressure. They're specialized mechanoreceptors that detect changes in pressure, particularly within the blood vessels. Photoreceptors are specialized receptor cells in the retina that respond to light energy and initiate a process of vision. There are 2 types. One is responsible for low light vision, and one provides color vision and sharp images. This slide is comparing all the sensory receptor types. All sensory receptors transduce environmental stimuli into narrow signals, but differ in structure, stimuli type, and response characteristics. And this table shows all of that and their location and the adaptation rate. In conclusion, our senses depend on a complex team of specialized receptors working in harmony. From the taste of food to the pain of a stubbed toe, our perception depends on the specialized cellular receptors we explore today. Though distinct in form and function, these receptors collaborate to create our unified sensory experience of the world.